Oh God. That's a lot. It's our car right there. Oh God, this tree. I'll make a video about that soon. Water just splattered in my face.
Same thing, and I got the bait.
Oh God.